Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Suhail Ahmed. Welcome back our Cisco Packet Tracer series. In today's video we learn about how to configure Telnet on Cisco Packet Tracer. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. So first of all, take a router and a switch. Click on the network devices and then click on the router, and then click on switch here, and then choose switch, any of the switch, and then draw here. Now take a PC and a laptop from end devices, click on end devices, and then I choose one PC and one laptop. So for the connection, click on the connection cable, and here I automatically choose connection type. Now assign the IP address to PC and laptop. Click on the PC. Desktop IP configuration 10.10.10.10. Because we have a router in our workspace, so we also use to assign a default gateway. I write here 10.10.10.1. Default gateway is nothing but actually the router IP address. Close this, click on laptop, desktop, IP configuration, and then write here 10.10.10.11. Subnet mask is assigned automatically. Default gateway is same for PC and laptop because we have a same router 10.10.10.1. Now we also write the IP address here for PC and laptop 10.10.10.10 and 10.10.10.11. So the default gateway is actually the router IP address, so here 10.10.10.1. Now after that we need to configure the router. Click on router and then click on CLI. So here the question is, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. We are now in the user mode. Now we are going to privilege mode. Write EN, and here you can see that after router hash symbol, so it means we are in the privilege mode. So now go to the configuration mode, config T. We are in the configuration mode now. So from here we can assign the IP address to router, and we also can change the host name. So first we change the host name SLS. I take the host name as SLS. You can write anything as you want. Enter. So here you can see that SLS in place of router. So it means the host name changed correctly. To assign the IP address, first check which interface of router is connected with switch. For that, close this and then click here, and then again connect the cable with router, and then here gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. Click here, click on router, and then go to CLI. So now here for the interface int G 0/0/0. Enter. So now here you can see that the command SLS config /if hash sign. Now we are inside the interface. Now assign the IP address and subnet mask. Right here IP at IP address is 10.10.10.1, and then space, and then add a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. IP address and subnet mask assigned successfully. You can check here config and then gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. You can see the IP address and the subnet mask here. Again go to the CLI. By default Cisco Packet Tracer ports are shut down, so we need to give no shutdown here. no. For shutdown sh, enter, again enter. So now end the process and enter. So here you can see that after end the process only SLS hash symbol is here. Before that we are in configuration mode. Now to save the configuration of router, write WR and then enter building configuration. So it means the configuration is successfully saved. Now to assign the password, again we need to go to the configuration mode. So write here config space T, enter. So here we are in configuration mode. Now for the password, write here enable secret, and then after secret give the space and write here the password 1234. You can choose anything else, enter. So now the password is set for the router. This password is used to enable the user to come from user mode to privilege mode. Now again end the process, also exit from privilege mode. So now here we are in user mode. Now if we want to again go to the privilege mode, we need password. So let's check. To go to the privilege mode, write en, and then here the router is asking for password. The password is 1234. Password is not shown here because password is secret. After write the password, click enter. So here you can see that we are in the privilege mode now. Now go to the global configuration mode, write config T and then enter, and we are in configuration mode. Now to configure the telnet, write here line VTY 0 space, and here you can write any number 4, 5, 6 and so on. I write here 4. This number is nothing but how many user can access the telnet. So I just write here 4, so it means I just allow 5 users, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can write any number according to your choice. So enter, and here you can see that the command is changed. So write here login. Here you can see that the command login disabled on line 2 until password is set. So to set the password, write password and then space and then write the password which you can choose. I write ABC and then enter. So now the password is set. And now end the process and then exit from the privilege mode. Now let's check, are we able to access the router from PC0. Click PC0 and then click on command prompt and then ping 10.10.10.1. This IP address is the router IP address, so click enter. So here you can see that the reply from router, so it means we can access the router from PC0. So now trying to access the telnet, again here write the router IP. So the telnet is asking for password. Telnet password is ABC, enter. So here you can see that we are in user mode, but this name SLS, we assign this host name when we use the CLI of router. So now we can understand clearly we can access the router from PC0. A scenario where router is in the ground floor and we are in the 5th or 6th floor with that PC, we can access the router and do anything as I wish. To go to the privilege mode, write here en, and then now router asking for password. The router password is 1234. The password is not shown here. Then click enter. Then now we are in the privilege mode right now. To go to the configuration mode, write here config T, and then here you can see that we are in configuration mode. Let's change the host name. Host name Sohail. So here you can see that the host name is also changed. So now you can clearly understand the configuration which we were done in router CLI. We can also done that configuration by using our PC with the help of Telnet. So that's all for now. If you like my video, kindly like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.